Hi, a couple of days back we looked at using custom shapes and images. Today we want to talk about image role. What you see on the screen is a spreadsheet that I've prepared. It has countries, country code, and most importantly, column C is a list of URLs that point to a web published repository of the flags for each of these countries. They are .png files and available to public. This file into the data source, country flag, these three columns are available to us. Let's go to a worksheet, country, country code, and here, custom URL. This is my data. The first thing that I want to do is change this into an image role. Select URL. I can blow this up. Simple and convenient. Hope this was helpful. If you do need this file, drop me a message and I'll be happy to share it with you. Thanks.